Gold is something we all know. In India, especially, gold is not just an investment, it's emotion, it's tradition, and it's safety. And globally, gold is also called a safe haven asset. So, when gold price suddenly falls, everyone thinks, wait, why is gold falling suddenly? Isn't supposed to go high when things are bad? Don't worry, in this video, I'll explain everything in very simple form. Let's break it down. The biggest reason why gold drop is high interest rates. Now you might ask me, why does interest rates is supposed to come up with gold? Let me tell you something. Gold does not give you any monthly income. Okay, no no dividend, no extra return, no interest. But but when banks and governments increase their interest rates, other investment become much more attractive than gold. Like for example, fixed deposit give you more return, bonds give you more interest, and safe account pays you more. So if I was an investor, I would also think, why should I hold in gold if I can seek for other investment plan that will give me more returns. So this is why the demand for gold is reducing day by day. So this is the second point. Okay, that is the US dollar becomes stronger. So gold is basically determined in US dollars. So the stronger the US dollar is, the weaker the gold is. So, for an example, let me tell, if the US dollar becomes so strong, then the price of gold in countries like Japan, India, and Europe will genuinely increase, and that increase in price will lead people there to buy less gold. If people buy less gold, then the price of gold will gradually fall. So recently the US dollar have been so strong because their economy is very much good, they are doing very much fine, and their interest rates are so much high. That is the reason that gold is falling suddenly. Okay, let's come to the third point. So the third point is the people themselves. So gold actually rises when people are scared, the people are afraid, like war, inflation, recession, market crashes. But nowadays, people are feeling very confident, and that is the reason they invest in risky things like crypto, stocks, and other businesses. And that is why gold is getting less reaction. Many investors and people are now moved back to stocks because the market are more optimistic there, and that is the reason gold is falling. The fourth point is inflation. Most people buy gold when inflation is high because gold protects value. Here's the key point. Gold rises when inflation is expected to increase. But right now, inflation is not increasing as much as before. That is why investors think that maybe inflation is now under control, and that is why they are not investing so much in gold, and that is the reason gold is falling. Okay, let's come to the fifth point. The fifth point is very much important, and that is the big investors are now taking their profits. So gold went up a lot by earlier, like $5,600 approximately. So many big investors made good profit. And what do investors do after getting a very big rally? They sell and book their profits. Not because gold is finished, it's because they want to lock in gains. And when large institutions sells, prices drop quickly, and it closes under some large major support zone. And this is also the sixth point, that when gold closes under large support zone, many retailers like us, they get panicked, and when they get panicked, they sell automatically. They panicked and they sell, and also automatically the stop loss selling also happens, and thus the small falls become larger and larger and larger. And that is the main reason why recently gold has been crashed by many points, by many percentage. Okay, so the conclusion, I'm going to tell that gold is not falling randomly. There are specific reasons why gold is falling. The reasons are the higher increase rates, the interest rates are getting increases, and the US dollar is getting strong, inflation fear are now less, Big players are booking their profits and panic selling is happening. Okay. Gold is still important in long term, but in short term, this type of things affect the short term prices. If this video helped you understand gold, then like the video and subscribe this channel for more breakdowns of simple market explanations, and comment down below that do you think that gold will go up again soon? Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.